Look at these awesome, crunchy and super tasty shrimp spring rolls. Let me take a bite and you can hear the crunch. These are so good. Let's see how to make them.
Hi everyone, welcome back. Asian food has always inspired me to try out new dishes, make new marinades. This one is also one of them. I'm going to show you shrimp spring roll with a twist in a special marinade. Let's go.
I have taken jumbo shrimp, but you can use any that are easily available. Let's marinate them with my special marinade as I had mentioned earlier. I have taken 1 tablespoon schezwan sauce, but you can add more if you like spicy. Use honey if you don't find sweet sauce. The rest of these ingredients are for extra flavor and color. Don't skip any. All these together will give an amazing taste to the final dish. We will mix these and marinate the shrimp for 15 minutes. Keep these aside till we make the batter for the coating. Now let's make the batter for the coating. I have noticed that cornstarch works better than the plain flour. I'm adding very little water to make a thick slurry. This is how we want it to be. I have taken wonton wrappers, but you can use spring roll or samosa wrappers. Make sure that the shrimp is not bigger than the wrapper. Let's see how to wrap these. Now place the shrimp in the center and tightly roll to cover the whole shrimp. No need to seal it as we are going to dip them in the coating. Check the description box for the detailed recipe and the exact measurements. Make the rest similarly. I already have a batch fried and ready. Now let's dip the spring roll into the batter and drop them into medium hot oil. Fry in medium hot oil until golden. Fry few of them at a time. Don't overcrowd the pan. Look at these beauties. I would like to thank everyone for your love and support. Keep it coming. Hope you enjoyed this recipe.
If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe. See you next week. Bye.